Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. To get a deployment link on GitHub, you'll typically be using GitHub Pages or a similar deployment service integrated with GitHub. Here's a step-by-step tutorial on how to deploy a static site using GitHub Pages and obtain the deployment link. Step 1. Create a GitHub repository. 1. Log into your GitHub account. 2. Create a new repository *. Click on the plus icon in the upper right corner and select New Repository. Name your repository, example My Static Site. Optionally, add a description. Choose the repository visibility, public or private. Initialize the repository with a readme, optional. Step 2. Prepare your project. 1. Create your static site *. Create an index.html file in your local directory. This will be the main page of your site. Optionally, add CSS and JavaScript files. For example. Step 3. Push your code to GitHub. 1. Open your terminal or command prompt. 2. Navigate to your project directory *. 3. Initialize Git, if you haven't already. 4. Add your remote repository *. 5. Add your files to the staging area *. 6. Commit your changes *. 7. Push your changes to GitHub *. Step 4. Enable GitHub Pages. 1. Go to your repository on GitHub. 2. Click on the Settings tab. 3. Scroll down to the Pages section in the left sidebar. 4. Under Source, select the branch you want to use for GitHub Pages, usually main or GH Pages, and the root folder, or /docs if you have a docs folder. 5. Click Save. Step 5. Get your deployment link. After saving, GitHub will provide you with a deployment link. It usually looks like this. You can find this link in the Pages section, usually right below where you selected the source. Example. If your GitHub username is John Doe and your repository name is My Static Site, your deployment link will be. Summary. Create a GitHub repository. Prepare your static site files. Push your code to GitHub. Enable GitHub Pages in the repository settings. Get your deployment link from the Pages section. Additional notes. Ensure that your repository is public if you want others to see your GitHub Pages site. For custom domains, you can set this up in the same Pages section. The site may take a few minutes to be accessible after enabling GitHub Pages. This method is primarily for static sites. If you are using frameworks like React, Vue, or others, the deployment process may involve additional build steps.